Welcome to Vhembe Biosphere Reserve Communication Workshop. From this workshop, we agreed that our engagement goal is to empower the youth to actively participate in the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve.
What we have learned during the communication workshop is that the Biosphere Reserve is for everyone and it's never too late to reconcile with nature. It provides the youth with a sense of belonging because we become part of the solution. It's connecting people and people with nature.
The youth care much about employment and opportunities. What's stopping them from taking part in the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve is lack of information and mostly ignorance. But we can help change their mindset by sharing inspiring stories and showing them projects that are currently taking place in the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve, getting them to understand that it's all about creating sustainable relationships and celebrating people and nature.
In order to achieve our goal, we will showcase existing projects done by the VBR participants and share inspiring stories to young people and engage them in decision-making.
As we know, young people are different. Hence, we need to find the right people to pass the message. For example, with social media being a huge one because it involves everyone. Also, we can include the teachers, the lecturers, traditional leaders, church leaders. In short, we are all game changers.
We need to spread a message that the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve is a hub for creating opportunities for all the youth within the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve and a vehicle for socio-economic upliftment and also a home of cultural diversity which connect people together.
As the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve, we need to include young people in workshops, webinars and also educational tours as a way of engaging them to the Biosphere Reserve. We send our sincere gratitude to local stakeholders, the Men and Biosphere Program and also Youth Network for their support to the Vhembe Biosphere Reserve.